Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
What's your name?
My name is Sadio Arlo.
What did you do?
And I made an automated school bell.
Why?
Well, firstly, my teacher and then he said to me, "So will you make it?"
So, what did you say?
I will.
How does it benefit the school?
Consider this. Since our school began, we have always relied on a security guard to press on the bell trigger at the time of the schedule, like this. As you can see, this is not the best method, as when the security guard is needed somewhere else, no one will operate the bell.
How does the system work?
Well, like this. The system has three main components: a microcontroller, a relay, and a real-time clock. Previously, I have uploaded a schedule to the microcontroller. If the time of the day matches the one in the microcontroller, it will send a signal to the relay to activate the bell. But if in any case the bell needs to be rung out of the schedule, an external switch is provided just for that. With the new system, everything will now be on time. Like now.
Okay, it's done.
We're done?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah, thanks.
Will this get me to HKUST?
Let's see.